Alrighty, so it's a super duper foggy Florida morning. It was worse about an hour ago. I was on my way in as an unsuspecting motorist, and this deer came, and he didn't notice my truck, but my truck noticed him. And I don't even know if YouTube's gonna let this thing stay up. It might take this down, but yeah, a deer hit my truck like really hard. He didn't do that, but I got him like right here, and he left deer parts everywhere, like a lot of them. Broke my headlight. That used to be a nice LED right there. Broke that. Man, it even came through. Grill guard hit the fender right here, bent that in. Yeah, he's all underneath of the wheel well and everything. That's unfortunate. Now there's more deer back here. Come on.